Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tapers and Fades. Today we're going to be doing a medium bald fade and we're going to be trimming the top about ½ an inch. Starting off, we make our first bald guideline, making it identical on both sides. Then once I'm done with my guideline, I make a second guideline with no guard, with the lever down, going up about an inch around the entire head. And then I'll put on my number 1 clip with the lever up, going around the entire head, adjusting the lever down, repeating the same step. And here I'm going back to a no guard with the lever down, really trying to make the fade even all the way across his entire head. And right here, I actually lost a little footage of me erasing the line. But what I did is I used the no guard with the lever almost all the way up, just slightly down, lining up that line across his entire head. Then going back lightly, flicking away the line. Then following it up with the Andis T-liner, making it as bald as we can without using the shaver. So after going over the sides with the Andis T-liner, I like to go over it with the Andis Masters with the no guard lever up, adjusting the lever down slowly, just touching up any dark areas that I see. Moving back to the number 1 clip with the lever down, adjusting the lever up as I see it. So right here we're going to be cutting off about ½ an inch off the top, and when trimming the top I like to comb his hair the way he combs it, which is to the side. So then I'll start off in the back section of his head and work my way towards the part of his hair, and then I'll move on to the middle section and use my back section as a guideline, and then using the middle section as a guideline for the front. Then I'm just going over it with the number 2, just squaring it off as best as I can. Just using the number 1.5 clip to get rid of some dark areas, moving down to the 1 clip with the lever down, moving the lever up as I see it. just going around the entire head, just doing any touch-ups that I see. I think I had a number 4 clip on, just getting any loose hairs that were just kind of hanging over the edge. Going back to the no guard with the lever up, just kind of cleaning up around the entire head. Just getting any dark areas, just getting it ready to give it a final comb.
Perfect.
This is it, you guys. I hope you like the haircut. If you guys do, don't forget to share, like, and especially don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach my goal right now, and that's 1,000 subscribers. So all the shares, likes, comments, and subscribers are very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Perfect.